In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Dropbox files online only, a useful feature that can help you save space on your device by storing files exclusively in the cloud. If you often work with large files or have limited storage on your computer, this is an ideal solution for you. Let's get started by accessing your Dropbox account. First, you'll want to open your Dropbox homepage. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not sure how to get there, simply open your web browser, type in Dropbox.com, and log in by entering your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your files and folders neatly listed. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. This is usually represented by your initials or profile picture. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a list of options to choose from. From this menu, the next step is to click on Settings. This step is crucial as we need to access your account settings to enable the online-only feature for your files. So, go ahead and click on Settings, and you'll be redirected to a new page with various tabs and options. Now, focus on the General tab. It's typically the first tab you'll see and is pre-selected for you. Scroll down through the options under this tab until you find the section labeled Online Only Files. If you're using a Mac, this section is specifically targeted towards optimizing how your device interacts with Dropbox. In this section, you'll see a toggle switch. This switch controls whether your files are stored online only or are also downloaded to your device. To save space on your computer, toggle this switch to the On position. This action sets your files to be online only, meaning they will not take up any space locally on your device. It's a simple toggle, but significantly impacts your storage space management. Lastly, don't forget to update your settings. Look for the Update button, which usually appears after making changes in your settings. Click on it to confirm your choice. This step ensures that all your changes are saved and implemented correctly. Once you've confirmed your settings, your files will start being stored online only, freeing up precious space on your device. And that's it. Now you have successfully set your Dropbox files to be online only. This should provide you with more storage space on your device, allowing for better performance and more room to download other essential resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.